for apple. Apple. B for ball. Ball. C for cat. Cat. D for drum. Drum. E for egg. Egg. F for fish. G for grapes. Grapes. H for hat. Hat. I for igloo. Igloo. J for jug. Jug. K for king. King. L for lollipop. Lollipop. M for moon. Moon. N for net. Net. O for orange. Orange. P for parrot. Parrot. Q for quilt. Quilt. R for rocket. Rocket. S for snake. Snake. T for telephone. Telephone. U for umbrella. Umbrella. V for violin. Violin. W for watch. Watch. X for box. Box. Y for yacht. Yacht. Z for zip. Zip. Let's learn ABC phonic song. A, B, K, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, P, Q, R, T, A, V, Y. Hello little learners, welcome back to Tutorpedia, where learning is full of fun and smile. Today we are going to learn something very special. Can you guess what it is? Let me give you a hint. We can't make any word without them. Yes, they are vowels. In English, there are 5 main vowels. Let's say them together. A, E, I, O, U. Sometimes the letter Y also acts as a vowel like cry and baby. What exactly vowels are? Let's learn. Vowels are letters that makes our voice flow smoothly. When we say them, our mouth shuts open and air moves freely just like this. We will learn more in some cute animation of mouth saying A, E, I, O, U. Let's practice the sounds. Let's get started. Let's practice their sounds. A says A in apple and A in cake. E says E in egg and E in tree. I says E in ink and in kite. O says O in dog and in bone. U says in umbrella and U in unicorn. Let's understand this with the story.
We will see the power of vowel in the upcoming story. Once upon a time in Letterland, all the consonants lived happily with their vowel friends A, E, I, O, U. Together, they made word dance, sing, and talk. But one sunny morning, something strange happened. The vowels were missing. No A, no E, no I, no O, no U. The consonant tried to speak, but without the vowels, it sounded like a silly scrambled puzzle. King C called a meeting. The consonant decided to go on an adventure to find the missing vowel friends. The letter searched high and low and finally spotted A on the road. But suddenly, ah! A screamed because a cat was chasing. Cat, help! Yelled A, hopping behind. Brave C, the consonant, rushed forward. Stop, cat! You can't scare our friend A. The cat paused and instant snuggled next to A. All the letters laughed. C said, CA. Words like cat. You make them real. Without you, they are just T-T. A brushed off the dust, feeling proud. You are right. A cheered. I am super important. Words need A to come alive. So A jumped back into place and suddenly, cat. Everything made sense again.
Let's learn vowels in an interesting rhyme. A is for apple, red and round. It makes a sound all around. A can also say its name in cake and rain. It sounds the same.
E was in the forest. E was sitting on an elephant. The consonants saw E. They called E to come back. E joined them and made words with E.
Rhyme for E. E is for elephant, big and grey. He trumpets all out all through the day. E says in egg and bed, and E in tree. That's what we said.
I was in the forest. I was sitting on a bench. S and T were looking for I. They found I on the bench. S, I and T made the word sit.
Rhyme for I. I is for igloo, cold and white. It shines in snow so clean and bright. I says E in ink and sit, and I in kite. That's a hit.
O was playing with the dog park. D and G were looking for them. They found O with the dog. D and G called O to join. D, O and G made the word dog.
Rhyme for O. O is for octopus deep in sea, waving his arms so happily. O says O in hot and top, and O in rose. It won't stop.
U was alone and sad. H and G were looking for you. They found you all by himself. They called you to come with them. H, U and G came together and made hug.
Rhyme for U. U is for umbrella on a rainy day, keeping us dry while we play. U says in cup and fun, and U in unicorn on the run.
Come on, kids. Let's get started. The activity time. Go-dash-ter, cat. B-dash-ter, bat. R-dash-ter, rat. Hope you understood the vowel A. K-atter, cat. H-dash-n, hen. P-dash-n, pet. understood the vowel E in elephant. Eater, sit. Eater, fit. Eater, win. Hope you understood the vowel I. The eater, sit. Dash go, dog. Dash go, jog. Dash go, log. Hope you understood the vowel O. The ogre, dog. Dash go, bug. Dash go, jug. Dash go, rug. Hope you understood the vowel U. Hug.
Great job, children. Now you know all about vowels, the letter that make our words sing. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Tutopedia for more phonics fun. In the English alphabet, there are 26 letters. Out of them, 5 are vowels: A, E, I, O and U. The other 21s are consonant. Vowels are very special. They help us make words sound right. Come hop with me to learn the letters A to Z. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels we know, but what about the rest? Let's go, let's go.
B and C, D and F, consonant help us take a breath. From G to Z, they play their part. Consonant make words so smart. Let's learn the vowel and consonant with Timmy the bunny. The alphabets in blue are vowels and the alphabets in red are consonant. Let's learn what consonants are. In the alphabet, we have 26 letters. 5 of them, A, E, I, O, U, are called vowels. All the other letters are called as consonant. Let us learn the sound of consonants.
B, K, D, K, J, K, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V,
Dear children, let us learn about the importance of consonant with the help of a story. One bright morning, Timmy the bunny was hopping through alphabet forest. He heard laughter. The vowels were having a tea party. Ah, vowels are the heart of every word. Timmy. Hello there. Why do those letters look so sad? Brave letter B, step forward. We are the consonants. Without us, word can't start or end. But everyone sing about vowels. Nobody remembers us. Timmy smiles kindly. Don't be sad. Let's show everyone how amazing consonants are. Timmy and his new friends planned a consonant carnival. B bought balloons, C brought cupcakes, D played the drums. The whole forest danced and clapped along. Burka-da, burka-da. Soon the vowels joined the fun too. Together they sang, we are consonant, clear and bright, helping words take shape just right. And from that day, vowels and consonant work together to make every word in the world come alive. B says B, ball. C says K, cat. D says D, dog. B says B like ball and bat. C says K. Can you say that? D says D like dog and door. Let's clap and learn some more. F says F like fish and fan. G says K like goat and grand. H says H like hat and hen. Now we will sing it all again.
We are consonant clear and bright, helping words that shape just right. And from that day, vowels and consonant work together to make every word in the world alive.
Come on, children. It's Consonant Carnival activity time. Guess the consonant with the help of picture. That's right. B for bear. Great job. C for cake. Correct. D for duck. Excellent. F for frog. Guess the consonant with the help of picture. That's right. S for star. Great job. K for key. Correct. B for bike. Excellent. R for run. Guess the consonant with the help of picture. That's right. S for ship. Great job. T for tea. Correct. S for sun. Excellent. T for tie.
You did a fantastic job today, little learners. Now you know what consonants are and how they sounded. Keep practicing your consonant sound B, C, D, F, G and so on every day. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Tutorpedia for more fun phonics adventure with Timmy the Bunny.